The dental lab industry has every opportunity to thrive and grow, maybe more so than it ever has. I'm Bob Savage. I'm Vice President CFO of Drake Dental Lab. We're a full-service dental lab, work with GPs, oral surgeons, prosthodontists, serve clients from around the country. We do analog processes and digital. Everything we make is custom, so every day is different. The entire experience to our clients really matters. The product that we provide to the doctor and ultimately to the patient, we want to make sure that we're helping them be successful. We need somebody equally invested in us because we want to equally invest in them. So as we looked at Carbon, it was about how can Carbon make Drake successful.
My name's Andre Tiberge. I'm the general manager of the laboratory. We've been doing digital for 25 years. Carbon came online. That's what we were looking for, something that was predictable and we were not going to be down. If a unit is down, we're out of production.
We run a long day here. On average, we print somewhere around 100 models per day. We print bite splints, digital dentures, and surgical guides. We're running from about 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., constantly moving.
The uptime matters more than the structure of the ownership of it. As long as that thing is running, it's helping us be successful.
We used to mill our intermediate appliances. We found a product that worked well with Carbon and we started printing all of those. Immediately eliminated a lot of labor, a lot of machine time. Having the analog skills and migrating into the digital realm is much easier. It's easily trainable, reproducible. I mean, the density, the accuracy, it's the same day in, day out.
As equipment becomes more integrated into your processes, it becomes more critical. You know, we want to continue to build that printing technology and that print farm out further. That opportunity provides growth.
When it comes to reliability, Carbon is top-notch, absolutely.
It is the reliability and the assurance knowing that every part is going to be within that tolerance.
With a Carbon printer, we realize every day something new that we can do, just changing our minds and just expanding our offerings.
The sky's really the limit. I think you just have to push and find great partners like Carbon to work with, and it's unstoppable.